A warm and cheerful evening to one and all present over here. I am Vivek Ranjan Sahu of Standard 10D. That topic for today is the keyboard, which is the most important part of a computer system. Without it, we cannot perform many tasks. So here are the contents that I'm going to cover in this presentation, such as what is keyboard, invention of typewriter, purpose of various keys, touch typing, advice for typing, and at last rapid typing software. And it is not only limited to these contents. I'm going to tell you more interesting things also. So let's start. As we all are living in a digital era, computers have become an essential part of our daily life. Without computers, we cannot run our life smoothly. So typing has also become an important activity. Nowadays, people are referring for typing instead of using mouse and other things. And typing is, we can save time by typing rather than writing on paper. This is because typing text is very simple process. Just by pressing some keys and we can write more than what we were used to write in a paper. It reduces paperwork and increases the speed of writing text also. It prevents us to rewrite the same matter because typed text can be rewritten. So here comes the question, what is a keyboard? Many of us think that keyboard consists of keys that we press and type. But a keyboard is a popular input device used for typing text. An interesting fact is that a general keyboard has 104 keys in it. And the most popular one is the QWERTY keyboard, which is invented by Christopher Latham Scholes. He is not only a scientist, but also a great inventor. Many of the children think that why the keys are not arranged alphabetically. And many of the students wonder that if it should be in alphabetical order, then we could easily remember it. But there is a science and logic behind that mystery. And this was invented by Christopher Latham Scholes uh, by having lots of research and practical science. Christopher Scholes, sir, at last developed this format of QWERTY keyboard, which is based on several factors listed in this slide. So now we move on to our next topic, the purpose of various keys of the keyboard. This is a general keyboard that we all have in our homes. It consists of three parts, that is alphanumeric keys, punctuation keys, and special keys. So let us know in detail about these three parts. The first one, alphanumeric keys. It refers to all the letters and numbers of the keyboard, that is from A to Z and 0 to 9. These keys are used for typing numbers, letters, and symbols. Next comes the punctuation keys. Punctuation keys is the collection of all the numbers as well as the punctuation marks like comma, period, semicolon, bracket, parenthesis, and so on. They also refer to all the mathematical operators like plus, minus, sign and equal to sign, etc. And not only this, we have several special keys also, like spacebar, enter, delete, arrow keys, caps lock, which has special function for various purposes. Now, here comes the most interesting part of this PPT, that is touch typing. Touch typing is a technique of pressing keys for typing text without looking at the keyboard. Yes, we can type at a very fast speed without looking at the keyboard. This prevents our injury to our eyes as well as it reduces fatigue. An interesting point to know is that a professional typer can exceed the time of 100 words per minute, which is a very fast and lot of words can be written in very short period of time. That's why keyboard is considered as the most important part of a computer. So here are the touch typing guides that we should all learn to type fast. The so our hands should rest on the home row, which starts from caps lock and ends with semicolon. So our little finger should rest on A, our ring finger on S, D, and like so on, our left hand fingers will rest on A, S, D, and F. And similarly, our right hand fingers will rest on J, K, L, and semicolon. And our thumbs is used for our both the thumbs are used for the space bar. Whichever we find suitable, we can use. So there are some points that we should remember while typing or while using the computer. We should always keep our back straight and not like sleeping on the chair. There should be at least 50 to 80 centimeter of distance between our eyes and the screen. This will not only help our eyes to reduce the strain, but also it is ideal for keeping the screen behind just in front of the our eyes. The optimum height of the tabletop or desk should be at a minimum level of 68 to 73 centimeter. And our wrist can touch the tabletop in front of the keyboard. Uh, and keep your elbows bent at a right angle. Advice for successful typing. A learner can keep in mind the following tips while typing. Hit the keys with the fingers which have been referred that are reserved for it. It is not like we will use one hand for typing all the keys. The keys that is reserved for each finger should be maintained. Do not look at the keys when you type. Yes, it is true that it will take time if you will not look at the keys, but this will develop a practice of typing fast, and with the regular practice, we can improve our typing quality, and within short period of time, we can be a fast typer. Do not hurry at the early stages of learning, because every learning process is a step-by-step process. It's not like we will jump to the top position at once only. It takes time, and by the period of time we can do it. Maintain a rhythm while typing. If you type with a flow of typing the keys, it will have a good impression, and it will help us also. Keep your hands and fingers close to the base position. This improves typing speed and reduces stress on the hands. To switch between upper and lower case, always use the opposite hand. At last, I would like to give you a tip that whenever you are relaxing, try to form a picture of the keyboard, of the keys that are present in their position, and try to type the keys alphabetically. A is where the B, C, D, and so on. This will not only improve your speed drastically, but also have a positive impact on your mind. At last, I would suggest you the software that is rapid typing software, which is very popular for students to learn. And this not only helps us to practice for typing test, it also uh, make us aware of our wrong inputs or that we can improve ourselves. So this was all about my presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vivek. Thank you.